Hey guys, it's Tommy Sotzer, Business Development Manager with Profile Industries, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on doing a demo with our Compact Rotary Sorter. So I got the sorter in the back of the truck and we're going to get this process started. So as you can see, it's very simple to set up our demo of the Compact Rotary Sorter. We can meet you in the field like I am, otherwise we could meet you in your plant. One part of the demo is we always like to bring a box of donuts for you and your plant workers to enjoy. We really like Funner Brothers donuts. They're local to Minnesota, so if you're a close enough drive, you'll be getting a box of Funner Brothers. Otherwise, we're going to stop at the local donut shop and get you a box of donuts. As a part of our demo process with the Compact Sorter, we bring our own seeds that we're able to run through the sorter, but we also invite you to grab a bucket of your own seed from a different part of your process and run it through the sorter to see the results you can get. We do this by taking product from your cleaner accepts, your gravity table accepts, your color sorter accepts, at all different points of the process so you can see where the rotary might fit you the best. So now that I got my sample ready to go, I'm going to feed it into the top hopper of the Compact and we'll see the sort begin. So you can see this process is very straightforward. We have our accepts and we have our rejects. Now this is where you'll be able to run your hand through the seed and see how we improved quality in your seed. Now another part of this process that we'd be able to do is we'll come ready with bags, ready to collect them and bring them back to our lab to do a sampling on our full-size rotary sorter. We can collect these from different parts of the process, either your accepts or rejects, show you what we can reclaim, but also show you the quality you can get, the bottlenecks we can remove, and how we can reduce waste in your process. So please feel free to reach out. I'd love to meet you in your field or in your plant. We'll see you out there.